Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making chicken in my Ninja Foodie. Today I was running late on dinner, so I wanted to get the chicken done quick. And on here there's a pressure cooker, a pressure cooking setting on here. So what I did, I cleaned, seasoned my chicken. You can season your chicken how you like. I seasoned the chicken. I added a little onion and peppers, garlic, and the Ninja thing. I put some chicken bouillon, a half a chicken bouillon cube, some garlic, and about a cup of water. It comes with the lid attached. The lid attached to it. But in order to use the pressure cooker, you have to use the extra lid, which I'm going to put on now. And you want to hear that sound. Make sure that it's sealed. Press seal. And then pressure. I'm going to put it on high for 15 minutes and see how the chicken comes out. Now it takes a few minutes to build up pressure before it starts. So that's what it's doing now. The time is 6:01 and I'll come back when the 15 minutes are up. So the time now is 6:18 and this took about 15 minutes for this to pressurize and then start cooking. So now I have 11 minutes left. I just want to let you know that it comes with this, like, I guess they call it like a cheat sheet, and it gives you like a little directions of how to cook the chicken, like the pressure you see right there, whatever you want to cook. You see here for the whole chicken it says, let me see, maybe I'll hold it up. It says for 7 pounds. You could use, it comes with like a basket, but I'm not using a basket. I just put it in the pan, the pot. And you see it says for 7 pounds, cook for 20 minutes. So we'll see. That's just the other thing that it gives you guys on. We did try to do the frozen chicken, and actually it did cook in 5 minutes. So, but I wouldn't cook frozen chicken. I would have to clean my chicken first before I just take it out the bag and cook it. But if that's what you do, that's up to you. And what is this other thing? And it gives you that. It also comes with a little recipe book to give you ideas. So it is done now. It's been, as you can see, 4 minutes and 40 seconds. So I'm going to release the pressure now. And you just turn it over to vent. Okay, so I'm going to open it now. Just turn it. And you pull the lid off. You can see that the, let's see. You can see that the popper has popped up, which means that it's done. Sorry about the steam. And there is a lot of juice, gravy. I'm gonna add a little flour and make some gravy. On this Ninja Foodie, you can see it's been 13 minutes. Once it stops cooking, it automatically goes to the keep warm setting. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to remove this lid again. And I like my chicken with, like, this is the other lid that's attached to it. So I'm going to put this lid down. And what I'm going to do, you see it's saying lid because it's still on the pressure cooking setting. I want it to get like a little crispy. So I'm going to air crisp it for a few minutes. I'm going to do 5 minutes and see what happens. You know what? I'm not even going to do that. I'm going to go to broil. So broil for 5 minutes. The broil setting. 5 minutes and see what happens. Let's see if that makes it crispy on the top. So as you can see, the time is 6:47, and while the chicken was in the pressure cooker, I had started my sides. So I just made some crescent rolls in the oven, some rice, some boxed macaroni, and some I just steamed some frozen vegetables in the microwave, but I put them in a pot to season them. And that's it. Quick dinner, real easy when you don't have a lot of time. Unlike the pressure cooker lid, this one you can open up and peek and take a peek inside to check like your food. So it's not, seems like it's drying it out instead of making it a little crispy hard on the top. But I'll give it a few more minutes and see what happens. And it automatically turns back on. When you open it, as you can hear, it stops. But when you close it, it automatically restarts. Nice and juicy. And that's it. All plated on my fine china and ready to eat. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.